ANGARSTROY. The Russian Ministry of Emergency Situations utilizes specially designed hangars for aircraft and helicopter repairs. These substantial structures, measuring 40 by 45 by 22 meters in this version, offer ample space accommodating even an UN-74 airplane. Although setting up this hangar requires a solid 80 hours, it features pneumatic gates sized at 37 by 13 meters, along by heating, lighting, and a fire alarm system. The manufacturing company is adaptable, capable of constructing hangars for various purposes and configurations. For instance, a gym hangar with customizable shapes and sizes can be ordered, and installation doesn't require a foundation. An automatic blower with intelligent control ensures the maintenance of the right pressure. GeoDomeX. The Garden Geodome, a transformative addition to your outdoor space that promises a modern paradise. Boasting a generous 9.6 meters, it accommodates up to 12 people comfortably. Crafted from robust polycarbonate, it stands out with durability, being 200 times stronger than glass. The dome's intelligent design shields against snow, rain, and winds up to 100 kilometers per hour, ensuring a lasting sanctuary for over 10 years. Maintaining its pristine appearance is a breeze, thanks to UV-protected polycarbonate panels. Setting up with this dome is a DIY delight, taking approximately 4 hours with all necessary assembly tools included. Simple upkeep involves occasional watering with a hose and a gentle wipe. Priced at around $1,200, the Garden Dome elevates your outdoor experience with style, durability, and ease. Rolling Unit. The Estonian company Maru showcases its creativity with a versatile trailer that ingeniously triples in size. The axle version of this trailer provides a spacious 30 square meters of interior space, making it adaptable for various use. From an office to a barbershop, inside it features insulation and a Mitsubishi split system, ensuring comfort in temperatures ranging from scorching 50 degrees Celsius to freezing negative 40 degrees Celsius. For sustainable and worry-free power, users have the option to add solar panels. Setting up this innovative trailer is a breeze, taking just 8 minutes. It can be started conveniently with a button or remotely controlled through a smartphone, adding to its user-friendly design and modern features. CMAX system. In May 2023, global reports highlighted the staggering number of approximately 110 million refugees and internally displaced individuals, surpassing the entire population of Germany. In response to this challenge, companies worldwide are actively working on innovative solutions to provide reasonably comfortable accommodation for this vast population. One notable solution comes in the form of affordable shears, combining the versatility of tents with durability of camping trailers. These shelters stand out for their ability to set up in just 11 minutes without the need for tools. Remarkably, they can comfortably house up to 8 people, offering a practical and efficient housing solution. Beyond their primary function, these shelters exhibit adaptability, making them suitable for various purposes, such as medical centers or storage spaces. Adding a humanitarian touch to their mission, the manufacturer adopts a charitable approach. For every 11 shelters sold, one is donated to refugee camps globally. This initiative seeks to address the urgent need for shelter among displaced population, providing them with a secure and dignified living environment. Expandable command unit on trailer. Meanwhile, the Italian team at Office Scene Estefanuto is following a similar path with their expandable trailer, capable of growing by half of its size, ideal for quick meetings or serving as a cozy space. Small remote teams. It features amenities such as sink, shower, and toilet. Moreover, there's ample space for office equipment, including printers, allowing up to 5 people to work comfortably inside. Flex Hotels. The founder of the Dutch company, Flex Hotels, is often hailed as the godfather of glamping. With extensive experience in the industry, it's even rumored that Napoleon himself stayed in Flex Hotel. The popularity of these mobile hotels at concerts and festivals is attributed to their efficient transport and setup. A single truck can carry 20 suites, each measuring 7.2 square meters and accommodating 3 to 4 people. Inside, there are 2 separate rooms with lockable doors, along with beds, mattresses, power outlets, and cabinets. Remarkably, up to 150 of these mobile hotels can be set up in a single day, depending on the version. Alaska Defense. Alaska Defense is renowned for crafting complete tent camp utilized not only by the US military, but also by NATO forces and international groups. The versatility of Alaska Defense tents makes them suitable for both military and civilian application. These tents can serve various purposes, functioning as mobile repair bases, hospital, kitchens, temporary shelters, and even airplane hangars. Available in widths ranging from 2.4 to 46 meters and customizable lengths. These tents can accommodate anywhere from 50 to 5,000 people, with a lifespan of approximately 10 years in the field and storage capabilities for about 20 years. Alaska Defense provides comprehensive solution including shelters and power system. Continest. The Hungarian company boasts the most innovative foldable container technology, making notable strides with these containers, including a showcase at the 2019 World Ski Championships. Successfully sold in 18 different countries, these containers are easily movable and unfoldable using forklift. The CN10 container occupies up to 7.2 square meters when fully unfolded and includes 5 220-volt outlets, LED lighting, plastic doors, and windows as standard features. For additional comfort, customers can opt for an air conditioner and a heater. These containers can be stacked on top of each other to create a mini hotel for larger events. Mighty buildings. If you're in awe of 296 square meter 2-story home built in just 4 days, look no further than the American company Mighty Buildings. They achieve this through the use of robotics and 3D printing, working more than 3 times faster than their competitors. Their construction methods generate only 1% of the waste produced by traditional methods. Quality is assured with 80% of their production being automated. The company is flexible with floor plans, facade textures, and house colors to match your preferences. The material used is 5 times stronger than concrete in tension and bending, all while being 30% lighter. These houses can last over 50 years, and it's no wonder that Mighty Buildings has secured over $100 million in financing. U1 S445. This new development revolutionizes the process of setting up concerts or outdoor events, eliminating the need for long hours of preparation. A truck arrives at a venue and seamlessly transforms into 105-meter stage all by itself. The transformation occurs automatically, requiring only a few finishing touches from workers, such as setting up monitors and spotlights, or adjusting the roof's height from 4.3 to 8 meters. This innovation means that the stage preparation can be completed in as little as 3 hours. The product was developed in China. CN Retail Unit. The Clever Lands. Hungarians have also ventured into catering for the needs of guests and mini hotels by creating special retail units. These 6-meter long containers offer ample space for multiple cooks and sellers to work comfortably. Impressively, setting up and taking down these units only takes about 10 minutes, ensuring efficiency and providing food, drinks, and souvenirs for hotel guests.